In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join the Wayfair affiliate program. Quick CJ guide. First, open your web browser and head to CJ Affiliate. You can search for CJ Affiliate or go directly to their join page. On the home page, click Login. On the sign-in screen, look for the link that says Sign Up here and select it to start creating a new account. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of account. If you're signing up to promote brands and earn commissions, choose Partner. This is the publisher side of CJ, which is what you need for affiliate marketing. After that, click Sign Up to move forward. CJ will guide you through verifying your email. Check your inbox for their message and complete the verification. Once verified, you'll choose your language and select your country. Then enter the email you want associated with your CJ account, create a secure password, and confirm it. Complete the I'm not a robot check, then click Submit. Now it's time to activate your account by filling in your details. Provide accurate information about your business or personal brand, including your website or primary promotional channels, how you plan to drive traffic, and any relevant social profiles. You may also be asked for tax and payment information so you can receive commissions. Be thorough and consistent. CJ and advertisers look for clarity, professionalism, and alignment between your content and the brands you want to promote. Once your CJ account is approved, log into your dashboard. From there, go to the advertiser section. Use the search bar to type Wayfair. When the Wayfair program appears, open the listing to review their terms, commission structure, and promotional guidelines. If everything looks good and fits your niche, click Apply to Program. Approval for Wayfair isn't always instant. It may take a few days to a week, depending on their review process. During this time, keep an eye on your email and your CJ notifications. If you're asked for more information, respond promptly. To increase your chances of approval, make sure your website or content clearly features home, furniture, or decor topics, has original content, and discloses affiliate relationships where required. Once approved, you'll be able to generate tracking links inside CJ, add them to your content, and start earning commissions when your audience shops at Wayfair through your links. That's it. You've just learned how to join the Wayfair affiliate program using CJ. If this was helpful, follow along for more straightforward walkthroughs like this one.